the TTTPA, which is the Texas Truck and Tractor Pull Association. It's an association that just got started up this last year. It's headquartered kind of over there in Stevenson.